trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing a review on Tinashe's hair. I had ordered me a curly wig, 14-inch, and I wanted to color this wig red. So I will be giving this wig a bleach bath. And yes, y'all, when I tell you this is the quickest way to lighten your hair, this is what I'll be doing from now on. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I will show you everything that I did to lighten this hair. So you will start off by using a clear container. Any clear container will do. And I am going to use my BW2 powder. Any lightener that you prefer. I prefer the BW2. And I will also be using by Salon Care a 480 volume developer, but instead of the regular developer, it's clear, so you'll have that bath, that liquidy solution. And the reason I got the 40 because I want to lift it as high as I can. I didn't see a 50, so I used the 40, and I got an extra one just in case I needed some more developer. So as you can see, I will be pouring this clear solution into the container, and then I will take my BW2 powder and I will also put it in there. And you want to have like a liquidy consistency because I kind of eyed it. I didn't really measure it off. And I'm just going to take that BW2 and just pour it right in there and mix it up real good. And like I said, I eye stuff, so I'm probably going to add a little bit more of that 40. And you'll see later on in this clip what I'll be doing. So y'all just watch and enjoy. And yeah. So now, y'all, as I am letting it process, I'm going back just to check on it. And y'all, as y'all can see, do y'all see the steam coming off the wig inside this container? When I tell you that thing was hot, I thought I was baking something, boiling something on the stove, y'all. But I'm probably going to use tongs next time I do this. But as you can see, I just want to make sure that I am getting that developer and that lightener all throughout the wig. And I just want to make sure everything is even, no blotchiness or anything, no dark spaces. I'm just trying to make sure that thing fully saturated. So yeah, after I do that, I think I'm gonna let it sit maybe by another minute or two, not too long, because I was a little nervous when I seen that steam, I ain't gonna lie. But I didn't let it sit too long, but just enough to where all the dark areas are saturated and covered. And then I'm just gonna rinse it out, and in the next clip I'm gonna show you how it looks. So now I'll be using the Wella Color Charm in the T18 Lightest Ash Blonde. And I used a 30 volume developer because I didn't have any 20. They prefer you to use 20, so I didn't have that, so I had to use what I had. And the reason I do this is because I am trying to take the brassiness and the yellowness out of the wig, and also to get that the hair as light as possible so that color can just pop, y'all. And as you can see, I am going section by section, putting the toner onto the wig. And yeah, it's lighting up pretty well, y'all. If y'all think so, y'all leave y'all comments down below and just continue watching. So after I washed out the toner, I had made sure I deep conditioned it with silicone mix, and I just let this sit on overnight. I put it in a plastic bag, let it sit overnight for like 8 hours, just so that it would be soft and ready to go once I put the color on. So now you'll see me use the Crimson, and I'm also going to use the Wild Cherry. And I'm going to mix those two together first, just so I can cover the whole entire wig in that color. Then after that, I am going to ombre it with the Red Velvet, just so it can go from like a light red into a deep dark red.